Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Jankin. They pay me like yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, back with another video, and this time I'm back with this purple unicorn eyeshadow look I have here for you with a nice neutral nude lip. This is basically just lip gloss. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell next to the subscribe button. That way you get notified every single time. My social media links are also in the description box as well as up here on the screen, so don't hesitate to follow me. If you're not following me, I don't know what you're doing. I really don't. But you need to get your ish together, don't you? Let's get into this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. So first, I start off by priming my eyelids, and this is LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee, and I'm just applying this all over my eyelids as a primer. And as you know, this will help give the eyeshadow something to stick to, as well as creating that nice even base.
Chop my mind, many suffering, oh why, pain me, I dey ask why, oh why my nigga, once again, move away, oh they get this, we no get G-Wagon, we want buy all the Bentley, we want buy all the Bentley, all the money, we no get different things them happening. Every them a Grammy speech I'm practicing. Things what you see on my boy now.
Now I'm going in with that Sleek Blush by 3 Pink Sprint palette, and I'm using the pink from there. There are 3 pinks actually, but I'm using the lightest pink from that palette, and I'm just applying that as my first transitional color.
Got the day for me, oh they soon mommy. You only come to run jet teaching. If you like chop cake, make I like akara. Wear Gucci, make I wear Ankara. Dance shocky, make I dance galala. But you know free, you they talk my matter. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Now I'm going in with the darkest pink in that palette, and I'm just applying that just below that light pink in my crease and all of that jazz, and I'm just blending it out into that light pink just for a little bit more definition, because you know I'm dramatic as hell.
Yeah, my play, I like you no be Nintendo. Janky, money Jimmy Janky.
Going in with the purple from Freedom makeup, and I'm just applying that in my crease, and I'm gonna slowly like slightly diffuse that upwards into the pink, just again for blending, because you've got to blend till you can't blend anymore. Blend till you're blue in the face, because you do not want like lines of demarcation between your colors. That's the difference between good eyeshadow application and terrible shitty eyeshadow application.
That you want more, then I package it and give it to you in a lump sum. So many times some ladies mistake their love for a stack of cash and their comfort. She said what's for? Please stop, Joe. Then I turned around and went another round like an encore. I need a woman I can swear down and vouch for. I am the clothes, do dishes and clean the couch for. I found love, the definition of downfall. 2 people in one bed and sharing one blood, making bad boys noise in my sound cord. We'll be steady catching vibes in that dad code. It's fantastic when she's asking me for round 4, because my sex game or rap game is hardcore. Damn, 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 damn. Tell me if you like the way I did it yesterday. Tell me if you gonna say I do.
Going back in with that LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is a time where I will cut my crease, and I'm always trying to be as precise as possible, because the more precise the better, so don't rush it. take your time, and for hooded eyelids, you always have to cut slightly above your crease so that when your eyes are open, they can still see the eyeshadow, as well as it will avoid transfer. If you don't cut above your crease, every time you open your eyes, the eyeshadow will transfer onto the rest of your transition color and things of that nature. You need to make it sharp, honey. It needs to be able to slice all your enemies. It needs to be able to cut all your exes. It needs to be able to cut all those negative people out of your life. That's how sharp your cut crease needs to be.
Make my line clear. Hi there, can I put it in right there? It's nice, yeah, such a really bright idea. Do you like it how?
Going in a little bit with that purple on the outer edge, and I'm just doing a little bit of flushed blending, nothing too serious.
I heard things that was different from what she said. Like, baby, tell me what you're doing tonight. Yeah. Tell me if.
Will you guys believe that this eyeshadow is £1, and I think it's from Makeup Revolution, and it's a holographic purple. And at first I go in and apply that with my fingers to the main lid, and then I go in with a brush for the rest, like the hard to reach corners and around, to get that precise application. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
Come through, let's spend the night. I'ma get them, show you the me. I nigga let you go, me and never me. Shut up, me. One the moment, give me you to me to love it. I'ma sit the Tell me if
This color is so damn gorgeous. Yes, some people will be like, oh well, dark skin girls can't wear color. Shut up, close it up. Nobody asked for your opinion. Just shut up. Because we look bomb.com in color. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You can't tell me anything. Now I'm just going to go in and draw my regular schmegular wing liner. But my camera decided to be an enemy of progress and cut off before I finished my liner. But it's basically a regular wing. Nothing too Beyonce about this wing. Like, honestly. I just go along my lash line with that pink, and I just buff it down there, because I always find it weird if you have like a dramatic eyeshadow on the top and then you have nothing on your bottom. Oh,
baby girl, she keep on cooling. If there's a time, a place or day where she can stop with the stolen, she said meet me on a Monday, then she postponed it to Sunday. Ooh. Why she doing me like this? Can't be me that she folded. Tell her, baby, wake up, don't snooze.
Food break. Because the girl was goddamn hungry. Like, ooh, look at my fast eating.
Don't worry about price, car always got a piece. Niggas know I got a stack rolled up in my jeans. Bahami Joe, got to my fan in my phone. Baby girl, I just wanna let you know that I'm loving the way that you.
What was I watching? Now I'm going with that purple, basically repeating what I did on the top, going in with that purple, and I'm just buffing that on like closer to the lash line.
If there's a time, a place or day where she can stop with the stolen, she said meet me on a Monday, then she postponed it to Sunday. Ooh. Why she doing me like this? Can't be me that she folded.
Just going in with Marc Jacobs highliner, and this is the pink one. I think it's Baby Doll. I don't know, I might be lying. Oh no, it's called Pink of Me. It's Pink of Me by Marc Jacobs. It's the highliner. Super pigmented, guys. You need to go pick up these highliners.
She feeling the baseline. Baby, come on your waistline. She know I never waste time. Get gas when she see me at the FaceTime. Making me
too much foundation. And I finally realized that I'm not even as dark as I thought I was in this shade. I used to use 11N. But when I went back in to pick up a new bottle, I swatched 10N. And it was a way better match for me than 11N. So you're just gonna blend that in.
Why she doing me like this? Can't be me that she folded. She moving, Baby girl, she keep on calling. If there's a time, a place or day where she can stop with the stalling, she said meet me on a Monday. Then she postponed it to Sunday. Oh, now why she do with me like this? Can't be me that she falling.
Toast by MAC. Toast by MAC? I be lying. I use Toast. I didn't even use Toast. I used Toffee by Ellie GoPro Conceal. Yo guys, I'm so freaking confused. I use Toffee. I usually use Toast, but because of this foundation, I upped it and went for Toffee instead, just to give it a little bit more of a yellow tone.
Yeah, 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 yeah. This one I better do with it. Tear my head, I know if you pretend to. Yeah, but they play I like no Nintendo. Cover my face, they call me reminiscence. One night, feel the beats, make you hear the song for stereo. D.O.C. make
Opal's deluxe finishing powder, and I'm using dark, and I like using this because I don't like the kind of whitish ghostish look that regular setting powders give me, like all the white ones and stuff, except Sacha Buttercup, but even that sometimes it's after a while that my makeup settles in and doesn't look so ghostly. So I like using this because it also brings back color to my face.
The things I do, enemies, them I always come with the hate. On a number, plenty, so far away we face.
Highlighting my face, and I'm just using Gold Deposit also on that, so it's a mixture of both of them.
Many suffering, oh why, you pin me, I dey ask why, oh why my nigga, what's it gonna be? Move away, oh, like get this, we no get G-Wagon. We want buy all the Bentley, we want buy all the Bentley, all the money, we no get different things them happening. Every time them a Grammy speech I'm practicing. Things what you see I'm a boy now packaging. Money never there, I'm just
with a finishing spray to set my makeup. Now I'm going in with Marc Jacobs highliner in Earthquake, and as you guys know, this is my staple brown lip liner now. I used to love Chestnut by MAC, but I feel like this is my new thing now. So I'm just lining my lips.
Don't get to gym. Like chop cake, make I like akara. Wear Gucci, make I wear Ankara. Dance shocky, make I dance galala. But you know free, you dey talk my matter. Yeah, 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 oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Aha. Yeah, 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 oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tell me like yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, oh. Yeah, 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 yeah.
In with the Fenty Gloss Bomb, the Universal Glow Gloss Bomb, and that's literally it, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell next to it to get a notification every time I upload, and like as well, and let me know what you think in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Oh.